I got a package from Kinetic motorcycles. Let's take a look at what's in it. I just quickly opened it up so I'm not throwing my phone down or whatever. The bird stock in the background, just disregard that. So, Kinetic motorcycles. Looks like they're in Houston, Texas. So it looks like these are the breather bolts. Awesome t-shirt they sent to me. It's pretty cool. And here is the actual filter itself. Looks like, what is this? I think it's like a magnet or something. Yeah, cool. So there's that. Move the box aside. There's the filter. There's a little gasket. So it's like an HKS style filter. The reason why I liked it so much is it's so different. It's not like the standard PM or Arlen-Ness or standard just like billet filters. It's not like those, but that's why it drew me to this one. I believe, here, let me see if I can pop this off. It's hard to do this with one hand. Here is the actual filter itself. I believe this screw, this screw unthreads, and that's how you can actually clean the actual mesh itself. Normal hose clamp to hold that onto the bracket, and then here is the actual bracket itself. I believe it's like carbon. I know it's like 3D printed, but I believe it's like carbon and plastic mixture. Don't quote me on that, but I believe it's some sort of combination of carbon and something else. It's very, very light. Not that weight really matters. I mean, it's that you're definitely gonna lose some weight from a stock system, but it's not gonna be a crazy amount. But yeah, there you guys go. It's all 3D printed. It's pretty cool. It's actually the next day. I ended up not installing it yesterday, but anyways. Yeah, so here is everything that the kit includes. Obviously, you have your 2 breather bolts, little mounting bolts, you have your gasket, your hose clamp, you have your actual bracket, and then you have your filter. There's a stock setup. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then you have this one and this one. Thanks. Just get that snug up a little bit. Ooh, okay, and I see something already that I'm gonna have to actually clearance out. I'll show you guys now, just because the filter is not actually sitting flat already. So, this actual top bolt, let me try to get it in there. You can see there's gonna be a gap. So this actually has to be clearanced out. Oh, just dremeled it out a little bit. It took a whole 10 seconds max. Now, boom, fits perfectly now. So, yeah, super easy. And again, that's something that it's 3D printed. It's not gonna be 100% perfect every single time. So I wouldn't even really consider that an issue at all. It took no time at all. Put a tiny dab of blue Loctite back on it, right? There. And we'll just get that threaded in. Perfect. Grab the other bolt. Put another, just literally tiny bit. And I'm only doing that just because these bolts are so small. It's probably not recommended, or doesn't even really matter. Okay, let me loosen this one back up so I can get that one in. And then the last bolt. Where did I put it? There it is. And I'm not snugging any of these down yet, just because I still got to put the actual breather bolts in. Okay. So they're just in there snug. That's on there. Now for the breather bolts, it's gonna go bolt, this actual bracket, and then this O-ring is gonna go against this bracket. Perfect. Just gotta squeeze those in there. Simple enough there. Same with this side. Bolt, then the spacer, then the O-ring. So I'll just put the O-ring and the spacer in first. Okay. Let's see, what size is this? Nope. Just getting everything snug for now. Now I'm gonna get these three tight. Go through, first one snug. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these tightened up. Everything should be good. Perfect. So that's on there, but yeah, I'll show you guys just that. Getting real close now. See, I just clearanced it out a little bit. I mean, I kind of went a little overboard, but yeah, it literally just needed just a little bit. So again, the filter's gonna cover it, but you just need to just notch it out just a tiny bit. Literally as simple as just putting the filter on. Decide where you want your actual bracket. I don't like to be able to see these, so I'm probably gonna put it like that, and I'll just tighten it from up and underneath. So filter just goes on, just like that. As simple as that. And then obviously tighten that down. But yeah, that's the Kinetic. I think they called this like the mesh, or the, I forget what they actually called this particular one, but you can go on Kinetic Motorcycles website, and that's what it looks like. I just liked it because it's so different than all of the other style filters. Like you have like, that's a PM. It looks great, but it's so generic. I just thought this was so different looking, and I love Japanese cars, and this reminds me of like the HKS style filter. So yeah, there it is.